Hi everyone, join me as we make this embellished braided headband. Welcome to class. I welcome you all. The measurements are displayed on the screen as seen. For the braided parts, the length of our ashoke will be 40 inches in 3 places. 40 inches in 3 places. We'll join our ashoke like this as I display on the screen. Fold it together and join. You do the same for the 3 of them. Then this is for the butterfly design at the back. It measures 11 inches and I'll be needing 4 of it. You take 2 and join it together like this. Join it and sew the 2 sides. The 2 sides, you do the same thing for the other one also. Then we'll be needing our foam. The foam measures 2.5 by 38 length. We'll also be needing 3 of it. Then this is our lining. I normally, anytime I'm working with foam, I use lining to wrap my foam first, so that if I'm pulling, the foam will not cut. And here you can see I've already sewn my ashoke, and I've also wrapped my foam with the lining. Put the 2 together like this and join it. After joining it as seen, then you begin to tuck in the foam into the ashoke to turn it out. And this can be easily achieved with the help of our scissors. Then you pull it out. You repeat this same process for the 3. As you can see, I have done the 3. Then the next thing to do is to put the 3 together with the help of your needle and thread, because this is too thick. If you can sew it on your machine, fine. But I'll be using my needle and thread to tack it together, then braid. After you are done braiding, join it together and tack with your needle.
My heart's dancing, it's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet.
So here I have these small pieces that measures 8 inches. So you hem the edges together. You will notice I only sew the center, leaving the 2 edges with about 2 inches on both sides. After you have finished sewing, turn it out. Get your elastic. Our elastic measures 4 inches. Sew it down at one end like that. Then the other side, you have to drag it and sew it down also. Just look at what I've done here.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest, got me feeling so.
The next thing is to get our needle and thread, tuck in one end of our braided headband and secure with your needle and thread firmly. Secure it firmly with your needle and thread. You do the same thing to the other side. If you have watched this video to this level, I believe you are really enjoying what you're watching. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Help us to like, share and comment. Don't forget to also subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get notification whenever I drop beautiful tutorial on headwears. Thank you. Now we are done fixing our elastic to the headbands, and this can fit all head size. So this next piece here is for our butterfly design. Get 2 of it and join as seen. Then we begin to form our pleats in a slant form. We'll form our pleat in a slant form, just as I'm doing in the video.
Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah, it's pumping so loud.
After doing that, join the two together to form a butterfly. Wow, this butterfly is so beautiful. Now only to fly remain. Then I have these small pieces. I'm going to be using it to cover the thread because I don't want the thread to show. Cover it with the help of our glue gun. I've done that. Then it's time for us to attach this to the headband. I'll be doing this by using my needle and thread and also the glue gun. We are done fixing our butterfly to the headband. The next stage is to embellish. For embellishment, I'll be using patches, stones and beads. Look at this beauty. At this stage, I'm just checking and doing some finishing touch. I want to say a big thank you for staying till the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for the show of love. I really appreciate all of you from the bottom of my heart. I do. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to share. Don't forget to like. You are doing this for your girl. For me, wow. Look at our beautiful headband. You know I love you and I will always do. And this is the final look of our beautiful embellished braided headband. Love you.